German philosopher, classical scholar, poet and philologist Friedrich Nietzsche is one of the most influential modern thinkers, best known for his writings on religion, good and evil, and the concepts of the Superman and will to power. Here are the Friedrich Nietzsche quotes and thoughts to change your life for the better. I cannot believe in a God who wants to be praised all the time. The man of knowledge must be able not only to love his enemies but also to hate his friends. No one can construct for you the bridge upon which precisely you must cross the stream of life, no one but you yourself alone. We should consider every day lost on which we have not danced at least once. He who has a why to live for can bear almost anyhow. There are no facts, only interpretations. The snake which cannot cast its skin has to die. As well the minds which are prevented from changing their opinions, they cease to be mind. Sometimes people don't want to hear the truth because they don't want their illusions destroyed. Whoever fights monsters should see to it that in the process he does not become a monster. And if you gaze long enough into an abyss, the abyss will gaze back into you. When we are tired, we are attacked by ideas we conquered long ago. In heaven, all the interesting people are missing. There is always some madness in love, but there is also always some reason in madness. Without music, life would be a mistake. It is hard enough to remember my opinions, without also remembering my reasons for them. You have your way, I have my way. As for the right way, the correct way, and the only way, it does not exist. And those who were seen dancing were thought to be insane by those who could not hear the music. That which does not kill us makes us stronger. The advantage of a bad memory is that one enjoys several times the same good things for the first time. I'm not upset that you lied to me, I'm upset that from now on I can't believe you. It is not a lack of love, but a lack of friendship that makes unhappy marriages. Man is the cruelest animal. The surest way to corrupt a youth is to instruct him to hold in higher esteem those who think alike than those who think differently. The higher we soar, the smaller we appear to those who cannot fly. Faith, not wanting to know what the truth is. Is man merely a mistake of gods? Or God merely a mistake of man? There are no beautiful surfaces without a terrible depth. Thoughts are the shadows of our feelings, always darker, emptier and simpler. The true man wants two things, danger and play. For that reason he wants woman, as the most dangerous plaything. There are two different types of people in the world, those who want to know, and those who want to believe. Every deep thinker is more afraid of being understood than of being misunderstood. Love is blind. Friendship closes its eyes. Convictions are more dangerous foes of truth than lies. Nothing on earth consumes a man more quickly than the passion of resentment. What is the seal of liberation? Not to be ashamed in front of oneself. It is my ambition to say in 10 sentences what others say in a whole book. The author must keep his mouth shut when his work starts to speak. Remorse. Never yield to remorse, but at once tell yourself, remorse would simply mean adding to the first act of stupidity a second. All things are subject to interpretation. Whichever interpretation prevails at a given time is a function of power and not truth. Talking much about oneself can also be a means to conceal oneself. Whenever I climb I am followed by a dog called ego. The visionary lies to himself, the liar only to others. Hope in reality is the worst of all evils because it prolongs the torments of man. Ultimately, it is the desire, not the desired, that we love. The most perfidious way of harming a cause consists of defending it deliberately with faulty arguments. One repays a teacher badly if one always remains nothing but a pupil. In truth, there was only one Christian and he died on the cross. After coming into contact with a religious man, I always feel I must wash my hands. Invisible threads are the strongest ties. Perhaps I know best why it is man alone who laughs, he alone suffers so deeply that he had to invent laughter. Today, as always, men fall into two groups, slaves and free men. Whoever does not have 2/3 of his day for himself is a slave, whatever he may be, a statesman, a businessman, an official, or a scholar. Silence is worse, all truths that are kept silent become poisonous. That which is done out of love is always beyond good and evil. What does your conscience say? You should become the person you are. All I need is a sheet of paper and something to write with, and then I can turn the world upside down. Plato was a bore. One must be a sea to receive a polluted stream without becoming impure. He who climbs upon the highest mountains laughs at all tragedies, real or imaginary. I am one thing, my writings are another. A thought comes when it will, not when I will. What is the truth, but a lie agreed upon? Woman was God's second mistake. Two great European narcotics, alcohol and Christianity. Without forgetting it is quite impossible to live at all. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.